guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you a trick called the Death Note by Aiden Tasher. So I'm going to show you the trick fast and then slow. So first you need to know how to do the reverse double rollout, which is like this. Ooh. And the other thing you need to know is the index rollover. And the trick is basically a combination of both of them. So you want to start off with the index rollover, holding it by the safe handle, doing like this. You want to catch it with the bite handle, and instead of going like this at the end, you keep it out, and you want to twist the handle and bring back the safe handle. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the trick again, doing the index rollover. Hold the safe handle and make the bite handle go over your index finger and around, and you're gonna hold it by the bite handle. You twist it like this and bring it up. It's like the reverse double rollout, so you just like dropping the handle, twist it, and bring it up. Okay, so I'm going to show you the trick all together and do the index rollover. Then you twist the bite handle and bring it up, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment a question because we'll be doing a Q&A